2016 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.